guys, it's your girl about Apris, and today I am not feeling well. I have been sick for about a week, and I hate being sick. It's like the worst ever. I usually don't get sick, so when I do, I'm like super dramatic, and it's the worst thing in the world. But I'm going to be showing you guys my nighttime routine, and I do this every night while I'm sick or if I'm feeling a little bit under the weather. And it's going to help me feel a lot better in the morning. It's going to help me sleep at night. It's going to help me get the best sleep possible and try to breathe and try to get good rest even when I'm not feeling well. So I'm going to be showing you guys this routine, and I want you guys to try it and let me know if it works for you. I'm sure you will love it, and it will have you feeling nice and relaxed before bed. So first, I am going to brush my teeth, and I'm going to be using my Crest 3D White toothpaste. If you haven't seen my teeth whitening video, you can go ahead and check that one out as well. But this toothpaste is amazing. I love it. And it's important to make sure you brush your teeth before you get in the shower, before you go to bed at night, because it's going to help kill some of those germs in your mouth. And I know when you're sick, your mouth can get kind of soggy. So you just want to make sure you keep your mouth fresh and that you keep your mouth clean. Also, once you have gotten rid of all of your symptoms, you want to make sure you throw your toothbrush away. You don't want to be using the same toothbrush that you used last week when you had a cold or last week when you had a flu. Make sure you go ahead and dispose of that toothbrush. So I'm just going to go in and I'm just going to get my teeth nice and clean. And just make sure that I'm brushing well. Typically, I brush my teeth in sections, just making sure I'm getting each section clean. And then I'm going to move on to my tongue. And before I clean my tongue, I'm just going to rinse, and I'm going to apply new toothpaste on my toothbrush. You want to make sure you do fresh toothpaste just so you're not using the same toothpaste that you use to brush your teeth. You want it to be fresh so that you can get your tongue nice and clean. Your tongue also holds a lot of germs, guys, so you want to make sure you're brushing your tongue and you're brushing your teeth when you're sick, morning and night, and even if you can do 3 times a day, that will work as well. And you want to gargle and rinse. That's going to help get anything that might be in your throat. It's going to help clean that passageway. So guys, we are done. And it's time for us to have our hot shower. And I'm just going to enjoy the hot water, and I'm going to breathe it in through my airways just to help open my airways a little bit. The hot steam is really, really, really good if you're feeling stuffy, and it'll help you breathe a little bit more. First, I'm going to wash my face. And I'm not going to use anything that's going to dry my skin out, because from blowing my nose is a little bit dry and it's been peeling some. So I'm just going to use a face wash that's going to help moisturize my face. And I always wash my face first in the shower, so that's just habit. Now I'm going to use Dr. Bronner's Peppermint Hemp Soap. And guys, I love this soap. This soap is a must-have if you are sick. Either the peppermint flavor or the eucalyptus flavor. I love both of them, but today I'm using the peppermint. And guys, this is awesome. This soap, you can use it for like 18 different things. You can use it as a cleaner. You can use it even to wash dishes. But I'm going to take it and I'm going to apply it as a face wash. And this is going to open up my nose so good. And I'm going to breathe it in. And guys, it's really opening my passageways right now. The peppermint is helping me to be able to breathe a lot easier than I did before I got in the shower and before I brushed my teeth. So I'm just going to use the soap. You don't want to do too much because the soap is strong. So just one small layer in washing your face, and then I'm going to use the same soap to wash my body as well. And guys, as I'm washing, I can just feel the peppermint sensation. And I'm going to make sure that I wash around my chest area, which is where my lungs are. If you're having any difficulty breathing, it's going to really help open you up. Now I'm moving on to my lavender oil and chamomile oil body wash, and this body wash is actually by Dove, and this is my first time trying it, and as you guys can see, I'm already using it all the way up. But guys, I love this. If you are having trouble sleeping at night, you need to include a lavender body wash in your routine. It is going to relax you. The combination of the lavender and the chamomile, it's going to relax you. It's going to prepare you for bed. It's going to give you that natural melatonin that some people do take. But guys, it's just going to help prepare you. It's going to help your breathing flow a lot easier. And it's just going to make everything nice and smooth before you go to bed. So now I'm done with my shower, and now I'm going to prepare my hot tea. So the first tea I'm going to be making is ginger turmeric, and ginger and turmeric have so many different health benefits. Ginger is really good with colds. It definitely helps open you up if you're having any congestion. It's great for that. Turmeric is really good too for digestion. It helps you digest your food well. So I'm going to go ahead and put the ginger turmeric in my tea. I am also going to add an elderberry tea. And guys, elderberry has so many different health benefits. It's really good for colds, really good for the flu. And elderberry is just a great natural way to help heal you of any type of sickness or any type of cold or flu. And I love this elderberry tea. This is the Simple Truth Organic brand. I drink elderberry tea even when I'm not sick. I just love the taste of it. So I'm going to go ahead and add that one in. Then I'm also going to add in throat coat. And as you see, this one is the traditional medicinals, and it supports throat and respiratory health. This one is kind of a no-brainer for if you're having any respiratory issues, if you have a sore throat. I mean, you can almost feel the difference just after drinking the throat coat tea. It really helps your throat, and it really helps to soothe a sore throat, or if you have any type of mucus. I love the throat coat tea. And I'm going to add my honey. I love wildflower honey, and I also use clover honey. And honey has great health benefits as well. So we're going to go ahead and add that honey. And we are going to mix it together. And we have a nice concoction. I know I mix like 3 to 4 different teas in my tea because I just can never pick one flavor. And they all have different benefits and effects on the body. I'm also going to add a chamomile tea. And guys, chamomile was also in the body wash that I used. But if you haven't tried chamomile tea, it is a very relaxing tea. And guys, drinking this chamomile tea before you go to bed, it's really, really going to relax you guys. It's going to help you be prepared to fall asleep. I know sometimes when you're sick, you can barely breathe. It's hard to fall asleep. But by adding this chamomile tea, you will relax a lot easier before bed. So that is my last tea bag. And I'm just going to mix my tea. And before I go to bed, I am going to use my pillow spray. And this is like a bonus that I do when I'm not feeling well. And this pillow spray pretty much just has lavender and eucalyptus oils in it. And I made it myself. And both of those oils are, one, the lavender is going to help relax me. It's going to help relax my breathing if there's any issue with me breathing. And the eucalyptus is going to open me up. So I am going to sleep on this all night. And guys, it smells so good. It's nice and refreshing. I'm going to drink my hot tea before I go to bed. And I am ready for a good night's rest, guys. I'm going to breathe in that tea and just enjoy it and prepare myself for bed. I hope you guys try this at home and let me know if it worked for you. Let me know about your rest. Give me a thumbs up if it was helpful for you. And see you guys next time. Bye.